It is time to find your glow with OVME Aesthetics. They're in 12 different states and they finally come to the Mile High City.
Yeah, that's right. They provide amazing curated medical aesthetic experiences. And in the sponsored segment, I actually got to step inside OVME's state-of-the-art facility in Cherry Creek. You're going to need to check this out. Today is a really special day. We are actually standing inside a state-of-the-art facility. It's called OVME. We're in Cherry Creek. These guys just opened. I'm lucky to be standing here with Elizabeth Weiler to tell me all about this amazing company. So, Elizabeth, if you could, tell me a little bit about OVME. You guys have been around for quite some time.
We sure have. We opened our first studio in March of 2018 in the Atlanta area. We found so much great success in that area with our expansion around there that we started moving west. And now here in the heart of Cherry Creek, this is our farthest west location and our 21st location. We're currently in 12 states.
Okay, that's really cool. So that just goes to show you guys that this company, it's tried and it's true. It's in 12 other states and now it's right here in Cherry Creek in Denver. We're really excited about it. If you could tell me what exactly sets you guys apart from everybody else out there.
Well, a couple of things that we're really proud of and we feel like have really attributed to our success have been our people, our teams, our culture. We're really exacting about our culture standards. We hire only the most experienced, licensed professionals, and we have an internal training program that's quite rigorous. The other part would be you're going to get a great outcome when you come into an OVME. We really focus on providing superior cosmetic outcomes for our clients. You're going to get it every single time. And then the other last piece of it would be what we call the OVME experience. We like the experience to be really frictionless and really easy and fun for our clients.
So Elizabeth, where are we standing right now? What do you call this?
So this is called the OVME Skin Analysis, and this is how we create that technology-forward, really curated, customized journey for our clients. So starting off with what exactly is happening with the skin. For example, this would give us an assessment. It's all photometric data, and we'll take a picture and a look into the skin to see what's underlying. So if you happen to have a lot of UV damage, for example, that would show up here. Those are almost like the age spots of the future.
Right.
We have something for every feature that could show up here. We can then also record your outcomes that way too. So this is a great way to capture an after photo and we can actually show you what results you got.
Now we're sitting within a treatment room. This is actually one of 9 treatment rooms. It kind of gives you guys an idea of how big this place is. Yeah. And we're sitting right next to, this is the photo facial, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Great work. Yeah.
Got it.
That was it.
Perfect. And this is just one of many facials that you guys do here.
In fact, it is. Yes, we offer hydrofacials. Our signature facial is complimentary with a monthly membership that we offer as well. And so we have, that's very, very popular. Then we have chemical peels, dermaplaning, and then we also have, of course, our injectable treatments, and those are so popular. They're probably our #1 services, and that includes neurotoxins such as Botox, Dysport. We've got natural collagen stimulating fillers. We've got hyaluronic acid fillers for plumping, contouring, lifting, and we do favor a natural approach, so you can get exactly what you're looking for and never look done.
Okay, I like that. I think that's most people's biggest fear when they walk into a facility, but you guys don't do that. Again, like I keep pushing, you're trained professionals. You know exactly what you're doing and you listen to your people.
Yes, in fact, we really pride ourselves on that, and our providers are so highly experienced and trained. That's what we're here for, is to provide the best outcome that we can deliver every single time. We also have a guarantee, so say you tried something and you weren't like super satisfied, we would have you come back and treat you complimentary just to make sure that you're happy. We call that the OVME guarantee. So
there you go.
Yes, we love that.
You guys, OVME is right here in Cherry Creek. It's right near a lot of us out there, our community members. Come by, see these awesome people. It's the best of best to keep saying that.
Oh my gosh, we're so glad to be here. Thank you for having us.
Thank you. Thanks, Elizabeth. We appreciate you.